I love fried chicken, but if you're a fatty like me, you know you can't have fried food too much. And so I decided to make a sandwich similar to the ones in Popeyes and Chick-fil-A, but I decided to do it my style. And so here is an oven fried chicken sandwich with a kimchi slaw and a what I call JG sauce, which is a Korean chili pepper paste sauce with a little bit of strawberry jam in it to get a little bit more sweetness, all on a toasted brioche bun. Check it out.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.